Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become Certified SolidWorks Professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass SolidWorks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to show how to use multi-contours to create revolved surface. So we have here contour 1 and contour 2. This is sketch 2 and we have axis 1 and axis 2 and this is sketch 1. So let's go to revolved surface. Let's check this sketch and let's delete this line here, axis of revolution, and let's choose this one. Let's click OK. So now as you see, revolved surface use both sketch contours to create this revolved surface. If we go to section view, we can see that this is not solid body. This is surface. Inside is empty. Let's exit. Let's go to edit feature. We can also change the axis. Let's go to this axis. And now we got a different shape, as you see. Here we can go with different angle. Let's go with 100 degrees. And now we got something like this. We can also go to direction 2. For example, 50 degrees. And now we have something like this. Let's uncheck direction 2. Let's put here 360 degrees. Here we can see that we have our sketch. And revolved surface automatically use both contours to create this shape. But we can also specify which contour here we want to use in our surface revolve. So here we have selected contours. So let's click here. And now we can choose which contour we want to use. For example, we want to use this one and this one. And now let's click OK. And now we got something like this. If we go back, let's edit feature. Let's click here and let's check this one and this one. And let's uncheck this one and this one. Now let's click OK. And now we got completely different shape with the same sketch by selecting sketch contours. Let's go edit. And now let's go here and let's change axis. And now as you see, we have some changes in our shape by only changing the axis. So here, by using selected contours, you can include or exclude each contour separately. So you can just click here and you can select all contours, or you can select one contour or a few. Let's click OK. So when you use revolved surface, you can use open contour, only one line, or you can use multi-closed contours and you can choose manually a specific contour.
Hey, my name is Alen. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to become a SolidWorks professional, if you want to earn a SolidWorks official certificate, then you have to pass SolidWorks certificate exam. This can help you to get a better job, to negotiate a better salary, and to accelerate your career. In order to earn SolidWorks certificate, you have to pass the exams. I have courses that can prepare you for the exams. I have enrolled over 30,000 students. The rating I have for professional exam is 4.9. I have preparation for SolidWorks Professional, finite element analysis, surface, sheet metal, and drawings. In courses, you will find all of the tools explained. You will find exercises, examples, and samples exam, the similar one you can find on the real exam. Right now, I have a special offer, and this is if you buy one course for $10, you will get one course for free that you want. As well, if you refer any course to someone else, you can earn 50% per course. This way, you can make passive income. So if you want to get SolidWorks certifications and you want to prepare for those exams, click the link below, check my website, and like and subscribe this video.